In today's lesson, we will be looking at the percentage of amounts. In your books, can you please copy gwaith dosbarth, percentage of amounts, and today's date. To find the percentage of any amount, all we need to do is be able to find 10% and 1%. Now, to find 10%, we just have to divide by 10. And that's because there are 10 lots of 10% in 100%. There are 10 tens in 100. To find 1%, all we have to do is divide by 100. And that's because there are 100 lots of 1% in 100%. Using the multiples of 10 and 1, we can find the percentage of any amount. So here we have our examples, and it says calculate the value of the following. And question 1 says 10% and 90. So find the value or calculate the value of 10% and 90. Now we just said to find 10%, all we have to do is divide by 10. So what we do 90 divided by 10, which is 9. So our answer is 9. For number 2, it's asking us to find 1% of 400. And just like we wrote down, to find 1%, we divide by 100. So we would do 400 divided by 100, which is 4. So our answer is 4. The next example is asking us to find 20% of 70. And what you'll notice is that 20% is the same as 2 lots or 2 times 10%. So what we need to do first, we need to find 10% of 70. And to do that, we do 70 divided by 10, which is 7. And then 20%, we said is 2 times 10%. So that would be 2 times 7, which is 14. And our next example is asking for 4% of 900. Now 4% is the same as 4 times 1%. And to find 1% of 900, we have to divide 900 by 100. 900 divided by 100 is 9. So 4 times 1%, so 4 times 9 is 36. So our next question is asking us to find 11% of 800. And 11% is made up of 10% and 1%. Now to do this, let's first find what 10% is. So 10% of 800, so that would be 800 divided by 10, which would be 80. And to find 1% of 800, so that would be 800 divided by 100, which is 8. So 10% is 80, 1% is 8, 11% is 10% and 1%, so 80 add 8 is 88. Okay, so the next question is asking us to find 21% of 1000. Now 21% is made up of 20% and 1%. So again, first thing we need to do, let's work out 20% of 1000. And to find 20%, we first do 10% of 1000. So it's 1000 divided by 10 is 100. But because it's 20%, well, 20% is 2 lots of 10%. So we'll do 2 times 100 is 200. And then to find 1% of 1000, all we do is 1000 divided by 100, which is equal to 10. So to find 21%, we do 20% add 1%, so it's 200 plus 10 is 210. So our next question is asking us to find 14% of 200. Now 14% is made up of 10% and 4%. So first of all, we can find 10% of 200. So that would be 200 divided by 10, which is equal to 20. And our next part will be finding 4% of 200. Now to find 4%, that's the same as 4 times 1%. So we first have to find 1% of 200, which would be 200 divided by 100, which is 2. And 4 times 2 is 8. So 14% is the same as 10% add 4%, sorry. So it's 20 add 8 is 28. And our next question is asking us to find 32% of 600. 32% is made up of 30% and 2%. So first of all, we need to work out 30% of 600. And to do that, we can find 10% of 600. And we do 600 divided by 10, which is 60. So 10% is 60, which means 30%, 3 times 60 is 180. And then we need to find 2%. So 2% of 600, well 1% of 600 we need to do first. So we do 600 divided by 100 is 6. So 1% is 6. That means 2%, 2 times 6 is 12. So 30% is 180, 2% is 12. Add them together, 180 add 12 is 192.